Welcome back to our channel, where we review the latest and greatest in automotive accessories. Today, we're diving into a product that's designed to protect the interior of your truck while providing a rugged look. We found the Carhartt Universal Nylon Duck Canvas Fitted Bucket Seat Cover, and we've included a link in the description below for you to check out the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what this product is. The Carhartt bucket seat cover is a durable and practical accessory designed specifically for truck owners who want to keep their seats in pristine condition. Made from high-quality materials, this seat cover is perfect for anyone who frequently uses their vehicle for work or outdoor activities, where spills and stains are a common occurrence. One of the standout features of this seat cover is its waterproof durability. The Carhartt seat cover is constructed with Rain Defender technology, which provides a durable water-repellent finish. This means that whether you're dealing with muddy boots, spilled drinks, or even the occasional pet accident, this cover has got you covered. Additionally, it's made from 500 denier Cordura nylon, which is known for its ruggedness and resistance to wear and tear. So, you can count on it to protect your truck's interior for a long time. Another great feature is its two-piece design. The cover consists of a head cover and a seat cover, making installation quick and effortless. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or someone who prefers to keep it simple, you'll appreciate how easy it is to slip this cover on your truck's seat and headrest. Durability is key when it comes to automotive accessories, and this seat cover doesn't disappoint. The main seams are reinforced with triple needle stitching, which elevates the overall strength of the cover. This means that even with regular use, you won't have to worry about it fraying or tearing easily. It's designed to withstand the rigors of daily life, especially for those who use their trucks for work or outdoor adventures. Accessibility is another important consideration, and this cover has been thoughtfully designed to allow easy access to built-in features of your truck. Whether it's seat controls, cup holders, or storage compartments, you won't find yourself struggling to reach what you need. This practical design ensures that you can maintain the functionality of your vehicle while still protecting your seats. Safety is a critical aspect of any automotive accessory, and the Carhartt seat cover takes this into account with its breakaway stitching for airbags. This feature is designed so that in the event of an accident, the side stitching will break away, allowing the side airbags to deploy without obstruction. This not only keeps you safe but also adds an extra layer of peace of mind when using the cover. So, who is this seat cover suitable for? It's perfect for truck owners who work in trade professions such as construction, landscaping, or any job that involves getting messy. It's also great for outdoor enthusiasts who love camping, fishing, or any activities that might lead to a dirty vehicle. If you have pets that travel with you, this seat cover will also be a lifesaver in protecting your upholstery from fur and accidents. In practical use cases, imagine heading out for a weekend adventure with your friends or family. With the Carhartt seat cover in place, you can relax knowing that your truck's seats are protected from dirt, water, and stains. Or, if you're coming home from a long day at work, you won't have to stress about muddy boots ruining your upholstery. In conclusion, the Carhartt Universal Nylon Duck Canvas Fitted Bucket Seat Cover offers a blend of durability, practicality, and safety that makes it an excellent choice for truck owners looking to protect their investment. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.